So in the past, you've probably been told that BIDMAS is followed through, BIDMAS. And to a degree, that's correct. But I want you to start looking at it, just like in this image here, the D and the M are in the third column. They're the third thing that you address. So if multiplication is in the equation before division, that is what you would choose. Okay, it's the same with addition and subtraction. Here, this is the fourth column. So you would choose the fourth column and you would do addition and subtraction in the order that they appear in the equation from left to right. Okay, so it's another way of looking at it with 1 to 4 instead of 1 to 6, which is what in the past has thrown children. Okay, hopefully I've blown your mind with that explanation. Just a little visual hands up, let me know. You can show me how amazed you are by that thinking. Nobody's amazed by that thinking. Oh, we have some people amazed by my geniusness. Wonderful. Okay. Here's another way of looking at it. Okay, we have the brackets, indices. Now, indices can be two things, your square root or your square number, or even your cube number, etc. They will be in for indices. Sometimes this is obviously known as O for BODMAS, for order, and it just means the order of operations for those breakdowns. So then we have division or multiply. Okay, I'm showing you as many different visual representations because I'm hoping that one of these pictures will stick out in your mind, either that BIDMAS that I just showed you in columns, or perhaps this one with the colours coming out. And in your exams or when you're doing a test paper, you will see division and multiplication together and addition and subtraction together. Just to clarify, division and multiplication have equal weight. That means not that they weigh the same and there's a weight that they have, a physical weight, but it means that they have equal importance. So divide and multiplication both have equal importance, so that's why you do them together. Okay, same with addition and subtraction. They have equal importance. So you would work from left to right in order to work those out.